Mrs. Bramer, despite what you may see in the next 8-10 minutes.
DJ McNasty, Ireezy, C Herp, ASAP Fern, G Rat, MCCM. Let's get it.
You know, I am the calc master. Math is magic and I am the caster. Find the volume with the disk method. Stacking thin sheets, calc is blessed. I love graphs and analyzing functions. Got no flow, so I go something something. Related rates can be used every day. Need a calculator, that is fancy. In calc, there's only one answer. Kinda like the number, a random name Prancer. You need calc to be a financer, or maybe even a very skilled dancer. On the graph I'll take the integral. Y'all watch out cause my skills are biblical. Lowest point is the minimum. I'm number one in this millennium. Low D high minus high D low. A low squared you already know. Quotient rule learned long ago. Me and Isaac Newton go toe to toe. Doing something else will leave you with a lust. Can't differentiate on a cusp. The question is, who can you trust? English majors or us doing calculus? The questions come in all shapes and sizes. Got your calculator for any surprises. What I despise is that next year Bramer won't be here to guide us.
Calculus, ruler of all the king of math. The weak-minded can't handle its wrath. After this year, I comprehend continuity. My understanding doesn't leave no ambiguity. Number one, does it exist? Number two, find the limit from right and left. Do they mimic rates of change, derivative and slope? They'll be applied in the future, I hope. As I look back on this year in reflection, I think of all the work, all the points of inflection, places where concavity changes direction. Like a function with no limit, I'll keep rising, and everybody else will begin realizing the calculus is too difficult for many. But to me, I'm 10 grand and it's only a penny. I can solve any part of any function, even without an introduction. From maximums to minimums, I'll even throw in points of inflection just for fun. I don't even sweat integrals. I don't understand why they make people miserable. All it is use substitution. I don't understand all the confusion. My point is, calc isn't that hard, as long as you memorize your yellow card. I got that thing burned in my mind. Now I can do calculus anytime.
Now I'ma start with this rap all nice and gentle, but hold on, it's about to get mental because calculus that's in my brain, you're about to get hit with an integrating pain. We started off the year with slopes and lines, then along came those dreaded derivative lines. Having to match them to the original graph, you see, I was getting pretty comfy, but calc disagreed. Then out of the blue came some harder stuff, and sure enough, it was getting pretty freaking tough. Then Miss Bramer, she became our savior. I would have been dying if she wasn't trying. Now I got calc unlocked like music to Bach. Before I felt like I was in the lion's pit, then I saw how Bramer just owned all of it. If calculus was the lion, then Bramer's the tamer. She saved me from the saber, thank you, Mrs. Bramer. I now know calculus 1. If calc was baseball, I'd be hitting home runs. I can find the slope of almost all function with ease. The concavity of a quadratic? Oh please. All I need to do is take the double derivative, do some sign analysis, and figure out what's his negative. Integrating, differentiating, it's all second nature to me. I'm a master of Calc 1, a mathematician I'll be. All y'all should sit down and take a rest. Watch me get a 5 on that AP calculus test.
God, please help me do this. Alright. Okay. Denying mathematics is sacrilegious as exactively ambitious to pursue the rules of calculus. Don't sleep on us. You'll get sleep paralysis. Dream up a math storm, not open to interpretation. Keep on reading Huck Finn and try to make a poster and present all atomic superstitions. I'll just sit here solving problems to find the derivative for all of the points of inflections. All you gotta do is derive twice to understand Twain's diction. You have to read it 3 times. Also make sure it's inside the boundaries or you'll end up with the wrong solution and maybe cry. Shout out to Einstein has manipulated time. I'm pretty sure he used trig, sine, tangent, and cosine. This means using all of these terms. Mrs. Bramer's room's the best room if you wanna have fun and learn. From Taiwanese culture to number theory, all of its patterns, behaviors, and all of its main concerns. Now integrate acceleration to find the velocity of how fast its flow is. In case you didn't know this, Calc AB is about two things. The two concepts of both integrating and deriving. Then you have the small details in between, like notation and units and statements written for IVT. The only places to go up, unless you're a lame cuss, same time a lame maximum. Cuffs suck, they're non-differentiable, but Riley told me they were, and that is not acceptable. Riley, what are you doing? Riley, look, she's red and probably burning. Michael's probably in the back just sleeping while Jeremiah and Gabby are the only ones working. Are you lying? You sure you did your homework? Or were you listening to Miley, getting on your home twerk? Now shout out to my boys Hector and Miguel. We killed this cipher. Bro, is that the dead smell? Our video is clearly bigger and better, like comparing muscles between Gary and Hector. Rat-ta-ta! Shots fired. High five. Man, I'm on fire. Mrs. Bramer, you're an awesome teacher. You taught us the best, and for all I'm concerned, broke the swag meter.
What's up, what's up? Yeah, reppin' 661 up in here. Not a current calculus student, but glad to jump into the cipher. Just keeping it cool so I don't get too hyper. Equations raining down, please turn on the wipers. Not sure if it'll be a sweet treat or stink like dirty diapers. I put in the work so I know I'll be prepared. Peterson has us prepping for that AP scare. This beat is tried by 12, but we strive for a 5. Man, I'll be fine, I'm getting those good vibes. Go big or go home, I drop it like Busta Rhyme. I'm a cool cat, I got 9 lives. Calculus will take me to do great things. It's not Red Bull, but I can still grow my wings and fly high like a butterfly with a sting. Bramer's hat class lottery pick, ching ching. Yeah, that's right, all of y'all are winners. Hit up Costco and ask for free chicken dinner. On the mic, I'm a mathematical free spitter. I'm be the young Ninja Turtle looking for my master splinter. Of course, a shout out to my boy Ben Miller. Yeah. Now the haters stay hating, but they welfare waiting. It's a diverse cipher and no sterling discriminating. Our cipher starts out gold, but now it's platinum. Yeah, plated. Nazis held Hitler, but we long live. Calc Nation.
You have to read it 3 times. Also, make sure it's inside the boundaries, or you'll end up with the.
Yeah.
Look at his face, put it on his face.
What is going on?
Yeah.